Hi folks, Max from HighOnAndroid.com, where we get Hoi on Android every day. Anyway, let's do an unboxing of my new Note 10.1 keyboard. Right now is actually a pretty good time to buy a keyboard because all these accessories are getting cheaper, and I want to actually make use of my Note 10.1, which I haven't been using much, but as a separate computer. Because I realized I was actually shopping for a bunch of laptops, and that's why I got the bunch of Chromebooks. I have a Samsung Chromebook and the Acer Chromebook, and I actually compared the performance on the two. Actually, the Android tablet, these older tablets, are actually faster than the Chromebooks. So I was like, why am I buying Chromebooks when I can get this? So anyway, I just bought this. It has some good reviews on there. Let's see if I can figure out how to use it without reading the instructions. Alright, so this goes up, and it is on. Oh, there's a USB. You can charge, obviously. There we go. And it's Bluetooth, and it just goes on there. Oh, I thought it was actually a snap-on. Oh, but it's not. That's too bad. Let's go ahead and connect it. By the way, I'm running Gnabo ROM. I just installed it. Looks pretty cool. I should have a ROM of the week pretty soon. So I've got it connected here. Pairing. Okay. Enter 771940. Okay, so I'm going to type 771940. Then tap enter. Oh, and it worked. Perfect. That was pretty quick. There we go. Alright. So let me see if this thing works. Let's go to high. Woo, works. The keyboard itself, the buttons are a little bit smaller. That's why I actually got the Chromebook. Because the keyboard, even the one I checked it out at Best Buy, the newer Note 10.1 Pro 12 and all the new ones. I even tried the S series. And the keyboards really suck, even the Samsung OEM ones. But this is a good keyboard. There's no touchpad or anything. I mean, you don't need a touchpad, obviously. Let's just write, I ate the dog. Okay, last night. This is probably not what I was looking for. But it does work. I mean, it does work better than, using touch. I'm sure if I get used to it, I'll like it more. But let me check out how this thing works here. So it actually works as a sort of just caps on there, nice and secure there. Oh, you know what? I think it's the other way. Obviously, because it's hitting the button, and there's an on-off button. I didn't even charge it, so it works. It must have pretty good battery life. I'm sure it doesn't use that much. Just doesn't want to connect here. So I got it sort of connected. It doesn't really stand. Maybe it's this way. Hold on. It was working fine like this. Yeah, this is fine like this. It doesn't fall out. Now the power button is hiding here. I can barely get to it. Oh my god. Not too bad. Except for the power button. It's a pretty solid product. I think I didn't even pay that much. Maybe like 20 bucks. Not bad. I'm kind of disappointed. But there you have it. Quick review of a cheap keyboard I bought. This is actually one with the best review. Also, I just got the LG G3. Check out my unboxing review over at my main channel, ZenoMax. And I've got my Samsung Gear Live. This is the new Android Wear watch. And I've also got the LG G Watch. My first thoughts on this LG while we're at it, I actually kind of like it a lot. It actually keeps every step you took during the day, which kind of helps. And basically, if you hit the number there, you can do heart rate, which doesn't work that well right now. I think the LG one doesn't have it. I think I can see why. If you swipe to the right, it's going to get rid of it. You can mute it. Also, there's a bunch of Google cards. Actually, it's pretty useful. Whenever I get notifications, now I get it on my hands, and I can actually read all my SMS without having to go into my pocket, open up my phone, and do all that. So it is very useful. It's not useful as a watch. I mean, it is useful, but really the main point, selling point, is the notifications, that you can check stuff on your phone when your phone is inside your pocket. Anyway, it's getting kind of long. That was a short overview, unboxing of this crappy Bluetooth keyboard. Sorry. It's okay, but it does come with microfiber cloth. These things are awesome. I have one I got from my optometrist, and what are those people called? Which is nice, but this is just like it. Anyway, leave any comments if you think doing unboxing with Google Glass is kind of fun. I should have a bunch of these accessories. Alright, there you go. It sort of works. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. As always, stay hoi on Android. I have some really cool videos I'm going to start making. I'm going to make a Android comedy news channel. And this is, by the way, this is my desk. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, that's about it. And I will see you guys soon. Stay hoi on Android.